Welcome to operation of semi-automatic capping machine part 2. So this is part 2. There are two functions. One is automatic capping and the other one is manual mode capping. Manual mode capping means you operate the capping machine by this foot pedal, foot switch. So after part 1, I do believe that you are adjusted well the position of the bottle holder and the capping head. Now we are going to try this screw capping now. 来试一下. So you will see after you put the bottles inside the machine and in manual mode you have to press the foot switch. So if you think the screw is not tight enough, then you adjust the strength of this part. 開全自動模式，自動介自動模式。Now this is automatic mode. 時間不對嗎？